Hello everyone, you're most welcome to Code Academy Uganda. Today I'm creating a jumping chick in Scratch. It's easy and it's fun. Let's get started. I'll start with my green flag. And then I'm going to position my chick. For the X, I'll type in -100, and then for the Y, it's already -100. So I'll pull out the forever loop. And increase. Then I'll get the if then block. So I'm going to say if the space key is pressed, then I'm going to change Y by 10. So I'll get that block from the motion. I'll change Y by 10, and then I'm going to wait for some seconds. I'll wait for 0.02 seconds. So I'll get the repeat block. So I'll put it there. I'm going to duplicate this block. Instead of 10, I'll type in -10. So I'm going to go to my rocks, and I'm going to see that when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to position my blocks. So I'll get the go-to block. I'll type in 240, and then I'll leave it at -100. So I'll get the loop, that is the forever. So I'm going to glide 2 seconds. I'm going to glide 2 seconds. X, I'll type in -240. And then for the Y, I'll type in -100. So I'm going to go to X, that is 240, and Y, I'll just leave it at -100. So I'm going to go back to my chick, and I'm going to get out the green flag. So I'll get the forever loop, and then the if then, that if my chick is touching the rocks, then the chick is going to say game over. Type in game over. So I'm going to test it out. Click the green flag. So I'll keep on pressing the space key. Thank you so much. Bye bye.